Welcome to Celeb Data Hub. Today, we'll take a look at the cast of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, 1971, and see how they've changed over the years. Then and now, in 2026, let's begin. Number 1, we have the legendary Gene Wilder. Gene played the mysterious Willy Wonka. He was 38 when Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory was released in 1971. Sadly, he passed away on August 29, 2016 at the age of 83 due to complications from Alzheimer's disease. Number 2, Peter Ostrum. Peter played Charlie Bucket. He was 13 in 1971, and now in 2026, he is 68 years old. After the film, he left acting and became a veterinarian. Number 3, Jack Albertson. Jack played Grandpa Joe. He was 64 when the film was released in 1971. He passed away on November 25, 1981, at the age of 74 after battling colorectal cancer. Number 4, Diana Sowle. Diana played Mrs. Bucket. She was 40 in 1971. Sadly, she passed away on October 19, 2021, at the age of 88 from natural causes. Number 5, Michael Böllner. Michael played Augustus Gloop. He was 12 in 1971, and now in 2026 he is 67 years old. Number 6, Julie Dawn Cole. Julie played Veruca Salt. She was 14 when the movie premiered in 1971, and now in 2026 she is 69 years old. Number 7, Denise Nickerson. Denise played Violet Beauregard. She was 14 in 1971. She passed away on July 10, 2019, at the age of 62 following medical complications after a major stroke. Number 8, Paris Themmen. Paris played Mike TV. He was 12 in 1971, and now in 2026 he is 67 years old. Number 9, Aubrey Woods. Aubrey played the Candyman and Mr. Jopek. He was 49 in 1971. He passed away on May 7, 2013, at the age of 85 from natural causes. Number 10, Roy Kinnear. Roy played Mr. Salt. He was 37 in 1971. Tragically, he passed away on September 20, 1988, at the age of 54, due to complications from injuries sustained in a horseback riding accident. Number 11, Leonard Stone. Leonard played Mr. Beauregard. He was 47 in 1971. He passed away on November 2, 2011, at the age of 87 from natural causes. Number 12, Dodo Denny. Dodo played Mrs. TV. She was 57 in 1971. She passed away in 2005 at the age of 91. Number 13, David Batley. David played Mr. Turkentine. He was 37 in 1971. He passed away on January 20, 2003, at the age of 66 after suffering a heart attack. Number 14, Gunter Meisner. Gunter played Mr. Wilkinson, also known as Slugworth. He was 45 in 1971. He passed away on December 5, 1994, at the age of 68 from natural causes. Number 15, Ursula Wright. Ursula played Mrs. Gloop. She was 48 in 1971. She passed away on February 9, 1998, at the age of 74.